using expressions practically. So write the following as statements using expressions. First one is, Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. If we know number of marbles Amina have, then we can find the number of marbles Sarita has. So what we are supposing is, let Amina has 8 x marbles. So Amina has 8 x marbles, then what about Sarita's? Has 10 more marbles than Amina. So number of marbles Sarita has is equal to 10 more x plus 10. 10 more marbles. So number of marbles Sarita has is x plus 10. X plus 10 marbles. 10 more marbles than Amina. Next question. Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. That means if we know Raju's age, we can find Balu's age, or Balu's age is given in terms of Raju's age. Balu's age is given in terms of Raju's age. So let Raju's age be x years. So what was Balu's age? 3 years younger. So Balu's age is equal to x minus 3. X minus 3. 3 years younger than Raju. What is given is Balu's age is given in terms of Raju's age. So if we know Raju's age, we can find Balu's age. So what we suppose is, let x years be Raju's age, then Balu's age is x minus 3 years. X minus 3 years. Then third question, Bikash is twice as old as Raju. Bikash's age is given in terms of Raju's age. So what we are supposing is, let x years be Raju's age, then Bikash's age is equal to, what is given? Twice as old as Raju. What do you mean by twice? Twice means into 2. So 2 into x, which is equal to 2x. Fourth question, Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Father's age is given in terms of Raju's age. So what do you have to suppose? Let x years be Raju's age. So father's age is equal to 2 years more plus 2, more than 3 times Raju's age. What is Raju's age? X years. 3 times Raju's age is 3x. So what is father's age? Father's age is 3x plus 2 years. Then fifth question, how old will Susan be 5 years from now? How old will Susan be 5 years from now? So if we know Susan's present age, we can find her age after 5 years. So what you have to suppose? We have to suppose that let x years be Susan's present age. Let x years be Susan's present age. So what will be, or how old will Susan be 5 years from now? 5 years from now means after 5 years. So after 5 years, Susan's age will be ages 5 plus x, or x plus 5. X plus 5 is Susan's age after 5 years. Next one, how old was Susan 4 years ago? How old was Susan 4 years ago? For this also what we need is present age of Susan. Let y years be Susan's present age. So what was her age 4 years ago? So 4 years ago Susan's age was, you have to subtract y minus 4 years. Susan's age was y minus 4 years. Then 7th question, price of wheat per kilogram is rupees 5 less than price of rice per kilogram. Price of wheat per kilogram is given in terms of price of rice per kilogram. So what we have to identify or what you have to find is price of wheat per kilogram in terms of price of rice per kilogram. So what you have to suppose is, let x rupees be the price of rice per kilogram. Let x rupees be price of rice per kilogram. What do you have to find? Price of wheat per kilogram is rupees 5 less than this. So what is the price of wheat per kilogram? How much less? Rupees 5 less. So it is x minus 5 rupees. It is x minus 5 rupees. So price of wheat per kilogram is given in terms of price of rice per kilogram. So what we have supposed is, let x rupees be price of rice per kilogram, then price of wheat per kilogram is x minus 5 rupees.